Hi guys, um, I want to give you a present for my birthday. I want to leave a few messages that would help you in Mizo dialect and um, English dialect. First of all, I will start with English. If you are facing confused thought, or let's say if you're facing anxiety, or let's say if you don't have mind that is very stable, and you have complicated thoughts and you don't know what to do, and you are busy or in whatever way, so there is a solid practical helps that could straighten your thoughts from all those complicated things. So you just sit down, write down what you were thinking, and note them down, and read them out. So then you will start to see the thoughts that you have, the worries that you have, and the puzzled mind that you have in your head. You can see and you can realize that those out of 10, 9 or 8 will be useless. You will be busy. Some are the things that you have no ability to take care of, or some are the things that are already gone, or some are the things that are too far ahead that you can't do. So I advise you, when you don't have a mind that focuses on something and unable to do it, you note it and you write it down. It will really help you. Chúng ta có sử dụng riêng rụp buổi negative ngày tuổi lắm bằng ngày tuổi nó giống te lâu này chuyện này chuan ngày tuổi nó te kha hành diệt khá la point cut point hi angin an diệt khá la chú ý diệt khá cái chú hành chia lệ la chú ngày tuổi na ý diệt khá giống te chú mun so mà mun so mà trăng chana mun riat emo so mà trăng chana pariat emo pasari te emo hi alak lo clear ihun kal to ami te emo ihun lo la kal tura I boy enge ilaban phak si lo te emo I thil trăng kai to lo te ani thiane chuwan chong kan boy na hi tamtak hi kan nuna trăng kai to lo te kan ban phak lo te kan enge kan solve thei lo te ani thina chuwan chon iru boy mu pa negative thoughts negative lampang ai to ti lo nei ni chuan paper emo bile khabu han la han ziak thla chu chuan ngai to na chu enge ni ti chiang takin in hu chiang theyanga chu chung I chiar chuai ngai to na te I zia nge ya I chiara I hu nge khan ngai to na thar lo siam thei chen ti kha I shedon ya. So if you practice heng hi iti nge I practice if you give time hun te ipe ani chuan it will really help you to overcome those puzzled thoughts and anxiety of those you have. The only thing you have to do is to change your habits and all those course. Heng thili ti ni chuan ai a hlotli nge nga huni pe ngai boka chu wan chuan nge nangma itum ve tak angai ni ti kha shadon ya. Thank you guys with me.